Hi, my name is Kunal Putra, and this is my term project called PayOff. PayOff is a stock price simulator game. The problem nowadays is that when one is trying to get started with stocks, they don't have a fun and real environment to practice their trading skills. Thus, one is afraid to put actual money forward because they aren't confident with their decisions yet. As you can see from the initial TK intro window, it starts off in story mode, where it says, you just got kicked out of college and you need a quick way to make some quick cash. But no one is hiring. What should you do? You should play PayOff. The user is then taken to the main screen, where they can enter a new stock. I can now enter in any S&P 500 stock that I want, such as Apple, and I can graph it by pressing enter. A matplotlib graph will show up. If I want further information about Apple, I can also predict however many days in the future that I want to predict, and it uses machine learning algorithms to calculate this. So the predicted value is 77.88, and it uses an RBF model to fit all the data, and then a support vector machine in order to predict the price. So if I decide that I want to invest in Apple, I can buy roughly 12 shares, and I can immediately also sell those shares. As you can see, the price is already updated. I can also buy new stock, such as Microsoft. And then I can go to each individual stock and go to their stock homepage. And I can buy additional stock, I can predict stock, and I can also sell. So if I want to buy more stock, it'll be updated here and also here. The day counter goes off every hour. So every hour, it'll go up a day. And the stocks will be adjusted, and the future prices predicted will also be adjusted. In order to graph all the data and to get the stock price predictions, I had to do a lot of web scraping to get the S&P 500 company data. So in order to show you in real time how fast I can do this, I'm going to delete all my stocks, and I will compile this. Now the reason why this is going so fast, as you can see by my activity monitor soon, that 16 Pythons are running at the same time because I use a process called multiprocessing, which means that 16 Pythons run at the same time and are able to web scrape for the S&P 500 companies. And if I kill this method and then go back to my directory, I can show you that I have the stocks here, and in a given stock, it displays all its data.